In today's transformation, I'm turning this mask into Mario MX. Plus, stick around because I'll be creating 3 Nintendo-inspired mask mashups that bring together some of your favorite characters like never before.
Here we go!
Sometimes life feels like we're trapped in a mask we can't escape. I remember working on this Shy Guy Jason mask, layering on paint and texture to create something unique. But in real life, we don't always get to design the mask we wear. It's shaped by expectations from others and ourselves. It's like sculpting in the dark, trying to carve out who we really are while feeling lost in an endless maze. But what if you didn't have to face it all at once? What if you could start peeling away the layers little by little until the real you could finally breathe? That's where today's sponsor, BetterHelp, can help. BetterHelp connects you with licensed therapists who can guide you through life's challenges. Think of it like creating a custom mask. Your therapist helps you separate the details that define you from the ones that were imposed on you. Instead of feeling stuck in something that doesn't fit, you get to shape a path that makes sense for you. And just like designing a mask, therapy isn't one size fits all. I've spent hours customizing masks, making sure each one has its own personality. Just like each person's journey in therapy is unique, there's no comparing yourself to others. With BetterHelp, you measure success on your terms, at your own pace. If you've ever felt like you're hiding behind a mask, take the first step toward removing it. Visit betterhelp.com/cartoondeadward for 10% off your first month of therapy. It's time to face things on your terms.
bursting. Ha 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 ha. Typical. As quickly as they rise, they will fall. Just like a land mammal hiding in the water. Soon you will have to surface for air.
Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which transformation was your favorite. Also, it's time for a giveaway announcement. Congrats to @AlmostAwesome for winning a custom mask. Huge thanks to all my subscribers for your amazing support. Let me know what mask you'd love to see next.